Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to pull LinkedIn data to Google Data Studio, which is now called Looker Studio. All you need to do is come over to the left-hand panel and first click on Create. Okay, and then click on Data Source. And from here, I want you to search for LinkedIn. Okay, what we're going to be using is called Supermetrics. It is the #1 connector for LinkedIn ads. It does have a free 14-day trial. It's trusted by hundreds of thousands of marketers. Now, once you click on it, come here, click on Authorize. It's going to open up a pop-up where we need to sign in with our Google account. Go ahead and choose your Google account. And there we go. Okay, we have authorized our Google account. Now we need to authorize LinkedIn ads to connect our data. So just come here, click on Authorize. Same way, it will open up Supermetrics and we will have to sign in to our LinkedIn ad. So just come here, click on Start. Okay. If you are already logged in, then it will automatically connect to your LinkedIn ads. Really that easy and simple.